Y'all ain't nobody did this. Ain't nobody did that. I'm telling you, ever since I told him that shortcut. Golly. Okay. Okay. He getting it. Look at him. He been sandbagging, y'all. Oh, this a hard one. Oh, he done made it up there. Ah, come on, baby. Okay. There we go. He taking it nice and slow like Usher, y'all. Oh, snap.
Take your time, take your time.
Dang, he getting through there. Now give it full throttle. Oh, man, he did it, y'all. So, they said he's killing it right now. He killed it, y'all.
20, 1 minute 53 seconds.
1 minute and 53.
He pulled off perfect.
Man, ain't nobody else do that.
Hey, did he got sandbag?
Yeah, that's what they call him sandbag. Man, he got a perfect score, man. Yeah, that put more pressure on Gavin, y'all, because everybody used to Gavin getting a perfect or one mistake.
That's right.
Now the pressure on him, they waiting on him to mess up again.
But Gavin gets in the zone.
I think I've been waiting on him to mess up the whole time. I ain't think he was gonna really be that cold.
You ready, Gavin?
He said he was a good driver. Let me see. And I think he know which wheel he want to put in the crevices or something. Here come John Cena of the track. He finna try that same turn. Oh, it look like he got it too. Oh, we gotta keep cutting. Oh, he gonna get it, y'all. I can see the wheel lining up now. Oh, he done did it like his daddy. Stunned like his daddy. Stunned like his daddy. Stunned like his daddy. He be stunned like his daddy. Okay. Oh, he putting a little bit more gas on it, man. He putting a little bit go. He want to beat his daddy time. I can tell you that right now. He don't want his daddy. He want y'all to say he the king. He putting more speed on his. Y'all remember his daddy was going slow like Usher, nice and slow. He ain't doing all that. Who that is say he's showing out. Look at him. He trying to make sure he missed that. I don't get it. Man, he too cold, man. Man, what about the time, man?
31.
Golly, man, he beat it. Golly, he did it.
That was a good torque.
Man, golly. Who that is said he ain't human. He not human, man.
Just like a lot of drive time, hundreds of hours of drive time.
Golly.
He has the rock yard in the backyard.
Yeah.
He gets to go play every day.
Yeah.
Oh, he got a rock yard.
In our backyard, look out, we have as many rocks as you see here in our backyard.
Yeah.
So I'll be driving these rocks.
So y'all just going to each park, picking up a rock, and then go head home?
No, you gotta buy that stuff.
Oh,
man.
okay. Where?
Like these boulders up here.
Yeah.
We actually bought and
Yeah, we
donated
paid
to the
the
park.
company.
Oh, to bring them up here?
Yeah,
Yes,
Crawler
sir.
Innovations paid for the rock piles that you see here, the big rocks. And
Oh, rock's expensive?
yeah, it was
Yes, sir.
$2,200 for these rock piles in March of this year.
What?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're looking at C notes.
And this is a city park, you know what I mean? So
Yeah, they could have put them there themselves, right?
well, but I mean, it's more so that the city allowed us to have this
Yeah.
space and create it, so that's why we donated the rocks, you know, to make it bigger and better.
Yeah.
So
And ain't nobody came and messed with it. I see y'all got a couple rules out here.
correct. Just
Ain't
some basic
nobody
rules.
that-
Everybody's been very respectful.
Man, that's
And
good,
it's
man.
been a good place because it's for everyone to come out
Yeah.
and play. And then the rocks are set up too, so that handicapped can, if someone is handicapped and they're in a
You can
wheelchair
still,
or
play.
a walker, they can still get around it. Yeah, they
Yeah.
don't have to actually climb on the rocks.
Dang, that is player, man. Y'all did y'all
We
thing.
tried to do this in Tyler, and the city wasn't responsive.
Yeah,
so,
the city would not work
but
with
the
us.
White Oak City manager has been very, very helpful in this.
White Oak City manager.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Which
that's
one
why
of
we
y'all
can-
cool with him? You?
Well, yeah, I met him through another local
Oh, okay.
hobby stop.
Oh,
Big
yeah?
Mike's Toys and Hobbies in Longview. They're,
Oh, okay.
So they sell crawler parts and all kinds of RC stuff. So, but yeah, he hooked me up with cars.
That's good. I know y'all happy. Y'all like, oh, it's over with now. We got us a location. We finna drop these rocks. How much you say? 22 bet. Drop what day?
Yeah.
I'll be there when you get there.
And then they had to lend us a big tractor so that we can move all these rocks.
Oh, they ain't set them.
They just dump them out of the dump truck.
Ah, I
and then you
thought
gotta
they
put 'em in
set them
place.
for you.
Nah,
No,
we
had
did
to
that.
donate our time.
We put our time and effort
Yeah.
into this part.
Oh, man,
So we
for the
came out with
22, they ain't even stack you down?
No, that was just purchasing the rock and get them delivered. The city helped us by donating 2 of their workers. One of them was in was it a backhoe?
It was
Yeah,
some sort of
but
heavy equipment.
heavy equipment operator. And
Yeah.
So they helped us actually kind of place the big rocks where we wanted, and then we had to fill them in from there. Just like how you see the rock stacks here, getting up to the big rock, and you fill in a lot of the holes so that the tires don't get eaten. That has to be done by somebody.
This is
Damn.
the first RC rock crawling park in East Texas.
Correct.
There's nothing else around East Texas like this park.
Correct.
Because anybody can come out here and drive their car public. And we're hoping to make this place bigger, put a short course track over there, where that open field is.
Yeah.
So they'll be racing over there, hopefully. And then the big thing we want to do is over here.
Yeah.
We want to put in a drag strip.
Yeah.
So we can have all 3. We can have rock
And then they
crawling,
can just
short
come and
course,
race.
and drag race here.
And then y'all can just set up a one date and everybody be here. People be walking from over there to over here to over there.
And we already got our own little following from the rock crawling.
Yeah.
If we just have everything accessible here, people are going to come.
And that
So-
way too, when it's at a city park, the
Yeah.
city benefits, but the public can come and use it anytime. It's
Yeah.
not about having to pay, because oftentimes at a hobby store, they they create a track, but they have to charge for track fees.
Oh, yeah. And this will be free.
So that whereas it's
On regular days.
yeah, on regular days, this is free, and they can come out anytime.
That is
And
player.
so that was one of the reasons for donating